y'all, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really quick and easy little, I don't even know what to call it, like a Christmas cottage decor. I don't know what it is. Anyway, it's festive and it's cute and it doesn't take a lot of time to make. But stay tuned and I'll show you how to do it. Hey y'all, alright, so it is not too much longer until Christmas. So I know that a lot of you are looking for fast and easy crafts, and this is one. This is going to be really quick and really easy. I have one of these little silver trays here from the Dollar Tree, and then I have a handful of these sparkly trees. I got these at Hobby Lobby, but you know, you can find these all over the daggone place. So, and there's a hair stuck to it. Aw, I embellished it. But anyway, I've got a handful of these. We're going to be needing to cut the bottoms of them off, though. And for that, I have these wire cutters. You're also going to need some of these, a little house. These are ornaments I got at Walmart. They were $7.98, and you get the 4 of them. And I think I'm just going to use this one right here. Let's just go ahead and get that out. Oh, your tree is falling over, my friend. Anyway, how cute is that? So I want to take this off. Let's find my scissors. All right, let's take this off. And these are, oh, there's a little bit of glue there. So these are cardboard. And you see there's a little loop right there? I'm going to try to be very gentle and take that loop out without ripping the actual ornament. I'm trying to be careful here. Hey, I did it! All right. So I want this to kind of be in the very center. Let's see, let's do that. So I've got my glue gun here. We're just going to put some glue all over his little bottom. And it's cold in here. I've been cleaning the house today, been doing a whole lot of stuff, and I'm hot. So I turned the heat off, and it's cold in here. You probably see my, the steam coming off of my hot glue there. My kids think I'm crazy. I'm like, go put some clothes on. You'll be all right. So now we have our little house glued down. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my trusty wire cutters and cut the bottoms off of the trees that I want to use. All right, so I have all of their little bottoms cut off, and I have 1 dark, 2 medium, and 2 light. And I think there's another hair stuck on it. That's probably my hair. There's a little piece of myself in all of my crafts. But anyway, I think I'm going to start with the dark one behind the tree. It'll like really make that gold stand out. So I am going to put a big old blob of hot glue right there and just press it down back there. And then I'm going to glue the rest of the trees down, the medium and then the light one on the edges. And it's going to take me a minute to hold this here so that this glue can set up. So I'm going to do that and then glue the other ones down as well. Well, it's everywhere. Gold glitter is everywhere. I found 2 of these little gold trees. While I was waiting for the glue to set up, I found the gold tree. So I put 1 gold tree on each side of our little house here. And now I want to put some sort of light. So I've got these tea lights. I got these at Hobby Lobby, but you know, you can find them at Walmart. Why didn't I open them? I don't know. You can find them all over the place. Boop. All right, let's try to get these out. Why are you doing this? And they're battery powered, of course. I'm going to tell you to put real candles on your plastic craft here. All right, and my chair is squeaky. All right, let's take out the little safety tab doohickeys and turn them on and make sure they work. Now let's try why. Okay, the tree is in my way. Let's just set those right down in there. Of course, we're not going to glue those down because we want to be able to turn them off and on, right? So let's just press that down, kind of see how that looks. Okay, and you know what? We could do 2 more on this side. So let's do that. Let's put in 2 more. I'm going to drop them. We'll put in 2 more lights. Or you put in however many lights you want to. I ain't trying to run your life for you. All right. So there is 1. Let's try to snap it down in there. Now, as far as like some snow goes, you can use, like I had that, it looks like polyester fiber fill, but you know, it's like that buffalo snow stuff. Or I have over here a bag of this. Turn it around. This fake snow. It looks like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my lights here. I might have to trim this tree. Oh, I had a little bit of glue on it. I'm sorry. I want to get all these in place so I can see exactly where to put the snow. So anywhere, like around in here, I'm going to put some hot glue, and then I'm going to sprinkle this snow on. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to make a mess. I know I'm going to make a mess. I've already got glitter all over me. So like I said, we're not going to glue down the lights. So I'm just going to be very careful here. Now, if I had Mod Podge, I would use Mod Podge down here to glue this down, but I don't have any on hand. I picked up my bottle. I'm like, hey, I got some Mod Podge. You know what? The bottle was empty. Why didn't I throw it away? I don't know. It was just sitting there. Just sitting there. All right. So let's put some. Oh, we need another glue stick, don't we? We'll put that in there. All right. Can y'all see what I'm doing? I'm just working on this and not even looking up. And like I said, I'm trying to not get it on the candles there. You don't want to glue those down. Okay. So basically all I'm going to do is just sprinkle snow everywhere I want it to be. All right. So why are you not standing up? Why are you falling over again? I don't know. Make sure that that little candle has some space there. And I don't want to put like a bunch of this snow down and then set the candle on top of it. Because I did that once before and it was really unstable. Like I'm all that stable. And there's a fly in here. Stop! Y'all know I live beside a cow pasture, so I'm always combating flies and gnats. Now this is going to be sitting on a table. I know where it's going to be sitting, so I'm not too concerned with all of this snow being glued down. There we go. And actually what I might do here in a minute, I had this idea, I might try to glue some of this snow onto these candles, you know, so they aren't really sticking out like a bunch of eyesores. I don't know. That was just a thought, you know. I might not even do that. But anyway, let me sprinkle on some of this snow and we'll be back. All right, so I got all the snow glued down. And now we're just going to take our lights here. Like I said, I didn't want any of that glued down where I want the lights. So anyway, I've got my trusty piece of, well, I don't know what's so trusty about him. He could be sketchy. I don't know. My trusty piece of paper here. And I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue all the way around. Stop it! A little bit of hot glue all the way around. And I'm going to sprinkle on some of this snow. And then I'll do the sides. I'm going to do this for all of the candles, so that they don't stick out and look like, hey, we got some plastic candles going on here, you know? All right, so you sit there. And now let's go for another one. Come here, gosh, he was stuck all in that tree, wasn't he? All right, let's just pick it up. There we go. Oh my goodness, another little gnat. You wouldn't think that there would be gnats and flies out here as cold as it is, but there is. The joys of living out here in the country, right? All right, so I'm just going to do this to all of the candles, do the top, and then I'm going to put the glue on the side and put snow on that. Okay, so we got the top of our candles, and let's come over here, and we're basically just going to do the same thing, but just on the side. Like so. Like so. Sprinkle the snow. There we are. Set that down. Go over here to the other one. Do the side. Well, I'm only doing a little bit at a time. I want that glue to set up. I don't want to roll it all the way around and risk sticking it on my hand. Or, you know, it just slides off. Okay. So I'm going to do this on all sides. And I'll be back. All right. Look at this, man. I've got stuff all over me. All right, so I've got all of the candles covered with the snow, and I've got them all put back in place, and then whatever snow I had left on that piece of paper, I just dumped in here. So if you sneeze on it or something, snow's going to go everywhere. And now watch me do it now that I've said that. But anyway, the snow that is glued down to the tray, Like I said, there's spaces left circled out where the candles were sitting, and that glue that we piled up to put the snow on kind of forms like a little semi kind of little cup that you can set the candles down in so that they don't jostle around. That's why I did it that way. But anyway, I'm going to call this done. So I will get a good picture of it. I know you've already seen it at the beginning of the video, but I will put a picture at the end of the video. Look at that. Man. So I'll put a picture at the end of the video as well. And that will be that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would, please give it a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media. The links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I hope to see y'all next time. Bye.